Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to actually delete your account on Tinder. So first of all, of course, if you don't have application on your phone, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So here, of course, after opening the LinkedIn application, here you can actually like decline people, match with people, or actually like with people. You can here or you have here the discovery option, which is recently added to every single social media application. Here we have the option of the to see who actually people likes you, which you will need the gold Tinder for it. Here you have the top picks. Of course, you can just find them here. Of course, here you have the message option. Here you can start messaging with the people that you actually matched with, so people that actually liked you and that you actually liked, and the same time you can start messaging with them. So how you can delete your account? It's simply by heading to your settings at so how can you head to your settings? It's simply by going here and clicking here at your profile icon. Of course, if you have a different profile picture, you will have here different icon. For me, that's actually my profile picture, so that's why my icon is appearing like this. So just go and click at your icon there and head to and click to your settings. So here, after clicking on your settings, you would like to go and scroll down until the bottom of the settings. So let me just scroll down. So as you can see here, we have the option of delete account. So if I click on that, actually here we have two options, which is pause my account. It's is like hide your accounts from other people, or deactivating your account, or we have the option of delete your account. Of course, if you click on that, you can choose whatever reason you actually delete your account. So as you can see here, are you sure you want to delete your account? Please let us know the reason why you are leaving. If you don't want to tell them the reason, you can just go and hit the skip option and then click on delete account. You may would like to, or they may ask you to confirm your password or something to make sure that it's you can just go and add your password and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.